Wow, over $1.1 billion have been pumped into Shiba Inu. Over $1.1 billion more market cap. And Shiba Inu actually fight back for its position from the top 18th. Now Shiba Inu is ranked the top 14, gaining about $1.1 billion, overtaking the Bitcoin Cash, overtaking Coin, and of course Kucoin. Now Shiba Inu is also set to gain more because the price have also continued to rise today, and I hope Shiba Inu will pump and hit over 100% before the end of 5 days. Right now they are doing well, so I'm happy for Shiba Inu, but I also hope that Shiba Inu will gain more support from the top whales and top crypto billionaires. Let's see where Shiba Inu will go, and I still hope for the burning of Shiba Inu to increase. As of in the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu have been able to burn over $74 million. Yes, so the 74 million coins, I meant to say. Shiba Inu actually burned 74 million coins of Shiba Inu in the past 24 hours. Well, I'm still hoping to see when Shiba Inu will be destroying over 1 billion to 2 billion every blessed day. But right now, this coin is rising. But burning more coin will help Shiba Inu to rise. Burning at least 20% of its supply, reducing the supply they have, reducing the circulating supply they have, is what Shiba Inu needs to focus more. Imagine Shiba Inu destroying about 200 trillion Shiba Inu coins. Wow, this is going to push the price more. But right now, I'm happy that the coin is rising. About $1.1 billion more investment has been invested on Shiba Inu. $1.1 billion is a lot of money, we all know, within the past few days, not even up to 7 days. Over 1.1 billion just because the coin was rising. So imagine this continues. I mean, they definitely should be recording $3 to $5 billion market cap, which should definitely push the price of Shiba Inu higher, which will push the ranking of Shiba Inu higher. And I'm happy for the coin. I'm happy for Shiba Inu doing well, even though when most coins are not. So I still believe Bitcoin. Yes, I believe Bitcoin before the end of this month might be reaching $35,000, and that will also help Shiba Inu coin to rise. Bitcoin is set to rise very soon, and I'm hoping BTC will cross $35,000 price from $29,000 to $35,000. Okay, while we're also hoping for Ethereum, for BNB, Solana, Cardano, XRP to also rise. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.